Arabic easily. 5 useful Arabic phrases every day for English speakers. Speak Arabic with confidence, one day at a time. Today you'll learn 5 Arabic phrases for introductions. In modern standard Arabic. Phrase 1. Marhaban. Marhaban. It means hello. For example, Marhaban ya sadiqi. Hello, my friend. It's polite, formal, and understood in every Arab country. You can use it any time when meeting someone for the first time. Phrase 2. كيف حالك? كيف حالك? It means, how are you? كيف حالك? It's used to ask about someone's condition or well-being. Phrase 3. من أين أنت? من أين أنت? Where are you from? من أين أنت? Used when you want to know their origin or nationality. It's polite and formal. I am from America. أنا من أمريكا. Phrase 4. ما اسمك? ما اسمك? Meaning, what is your name? For example, what is your name? ما اسمك? My name is Alex. اسمي Alex. You use this phrase when you want to know someone's name. Phrase 5. كم عمرك? كم عمرك? Meaning, how old are you? This question is used to ask someone's age in Arabic. For example, how old are you? كم عمرك? I am 25 years old. عمري 25 سنة. Repeat all 5 phrases out loud once again. In 30 days, you'll be able to speak simple things. Next video, useful shopping phrases.